Hello, this is Rosie. Today I will show you our repair tools. Two models, our second refurbishment kit. Two model, yes. If any question, you can send us a comment. We will update the link once we finish the live. Yes, we will send you the link after we over. After the live over, we will send you the link. Yes, we also can ship Indian. We offer worldwide shipment. Yes, if you need, we have agent can ship. Okay, this is for multiple. This is for MacBook screen for refurbishment repair tool. Yes, you can see this is have a 4 size. Yes. There are 4 sizes. You can use it to remove the LCD panel. We have updated the operation video on our Facebook or YouTube. Yes, you also can refer the video to remove the LCD panel. Yes. Yes, they have four sizes. It is easy to remove the display. Yeah, this is our package. Another one. Yes, they for MacBook screen kit. You can see this model. Yes, we also mark the model on this key. You can. Then for other model. If you need these tools, you can purchase on our website. Yes, Surface. Yes, this is our brand. There are 4 models. Yes, you can see the detail. We mark the model on this key. Yes, this is for different size, different model. Yes, and this one, this key is also you can remove the backlight cable. Remove the backlight cable, and also have logo bar. Also can remove the logo bar. Yes, you have point. Also have 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Yes, even you remove the LCD, it will be convenient. Yes, we also have a label, mark the key is we also have update on our website. It come with the slide, a logo bar replacement, remove the backlight cable. Yes, you also can use. You can see the detail. Yeah, we have 2 models. Yeah, you can purchase it based on your requirement. Any question, you can send out the message. One say how much? It's different. Yeah, the different price. Yes. If you need, you can see on our website. Yes. When the live finish, we will update the link, the purchase link. Yes, you can see the video and the details on our website. Yes, 2 model. The price is different. The operation rate, you can refer our video on YouTube and Facebook. Yes, we also have update the video. Today is we only show the post details. Yes, if you want the video, you can follow our YouTube and Facebook, and how you can see the video, how to screenshot the screen. Yes. Any question, you can send out a comment. Yes, it's a set. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4 models for MacBooks. This is our package. We also have the introduction on our package back, the back of package. Yes. The details, the slime, yes, also have. And we also have another repair tools on our website. If you need the model, we also can show you. Okay, thanks for joining our live. Yes. Today's only show the details. Yes. And the panel, LCD panel, you can use the key to respiration. Yes. We have two model kit, different kit and different price. And we will update the link when we finish the live. Yes, on the comment. It's our LCD screen. You can use it to refurbishment. Yes. Any question, you can send up message. See these models, the details. Yes, this for a different model. Yes, we have marked the model on this line. Yes, different model. One model has 3 pieces. Yes, 3 pieces. This island slash for the screen LCD, and this is for backlight cable and logo bar. Yes, come with 5 pieces. Okay, you see the detail. Yes, and easy to use. Different model. We also have other repair tools for MacBook. Yes. And we also have repair pack for MacBook, like the screen. Yes, full set. This is full set. And LCD, only the LCD. Keyboard and the flash cable IC strip we also have. Any question for the key for these tools? We We offer worldwide shipment. Yes, don't worry about the shipping. We also can ship. Yes. Okay. The two model have the two different price for it. Any question for our tools? We also have tweezer, screwdriver, yes, and we have professional for MacBook. Yes. Okay, any question? Today we if you need a video, you can follow our Facebook or YouTube. Yes. We have update the video how to use the screens refurbishment to repair the LCDs. Yes. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube. Yeah, this is our package. Yeah, today's shows will over now. Any question? Okay, thanks for joining our live. Any question for our tools? Yes, today's show is over. Okay. If you want to see our another tools, we also can show you next time. Yes. You can send out a comment. Yes, if you want. We also can show you the details. Okay. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.